नमस्कार दोस्तों, विवेक ट्रैवल ट्रेल्स में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और मैं दुनिया की एक ऐसी जगह पर हूँ जो पूरी ह्यूमैनिटी को एक साथ जोड़ने की हिम्मत रखती है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं हूँ ओरोविले में। ये अपने आप में एक एक्सपेरिमेंटल टाउनशिप है। इसके बारे में और सब कुछ जानकारी मैं देता हूँ। बने रहिए इस वीडियो में मेरे साथ। और मेरे पीछे जो प्रतिमा आप देख रहे हैं वो है संत अरविंदो की। ओरोविले पौंडीचेरी में एक ऐसी एक्सपेरिमेंटल टाउनशिप है जहां दुनिया के 165 देशों के नागरिक अपना सब कुछ छोड़ अपनी दुनिया यहीं पर ही बना चुके हैं। ओरोविले का अर्थ है सिटी ऑफ डॉन, अर्थात सुबह या रोशनी का शहर। यदि इसे मानव इतिहास का सबसे साहसिक प्रयोग कहा जाए तो कोई अतिशयोक्ति नहीं होगी। ओरोविले में आकर लगता है मानो श्री औरोबिंदो जिस मानव निर्माण के लिए संघर्षरत थे उसे साकार रूप मिल गया है। सबसे पहले हम समझते हैं कि ओरोविले है क्या। ओरोविले का सपना माँ मीरा अल्फासा ने दिखा था, जिन्हें लोग प्यार से मदर कहते हैं। माँ मीरा अल्फासा श्री औरोबिंदो की सहयोगी थी और ह्यूमन कॉन्शियसनेस के चेतन के साझा संकल्प को आगे बढ़ा रही थी। ओरोविले वॉज फाउंडेड इन 1968 बाय मदर एंड डिजाइन्ड बाय आर्किटेक्ट रोजर एंगर। मदर इन हर फर्स्ट पब्लिक मैसेज इन 1965 stated for Auroville that Auroville wants to be a universal town where men and women of all countries are able to live in peace and progressive harmony above all creeds, all politics, and all nationalities. The purpose of Auroville is to realize human unity. कितना सुंदर भाव है। एक ऐसा स्थान जहाँ मनुष्य में कोई भेदभाव ही नहीं है, ना देश का, ना धर्म का, ना जात का, ना पात का, ना भाषा का, ना क्षेत्र का, ना धन का, ना संपत्ति का। यहाँ सब कुछ सबका है और व्यक्तिगत किसी का कुछ भी नहीं। यहाँ ह्यूमन कॉन्शियसनेस ही धर्म है, इंटीग्रल योगा ही ध्येय है, स्वयं को जानना और सब में एक परमात्मा का स्वरूप देखना ही उद्देश्य है। ओरोविले में निवास करने वाले ओरोविलियंस कहलाते हैं। यहाँ के बच्चों को बेहतरीन शिक्षा निःशुल्क दी जाती है। यहाँ एक सोलर किचन है जिसमें सभी ओरोविलियंस निःशुल्क भोजन कर सकते हैं। आपको आवास भी ओरोविले के द्वारा प्रदान किया जाता है। यदि आप अपना अलग घर बनाना चाहें तो इसके लिए आपको ज़मीन भी आवंटित की जाती है। पर ध्यान रहे, यहाँ सब कुछ ओरोविले का ही है। आपके जाने के बाद आपका बनाया घर भी ओरोविले को ही बिलोंग करता है। यहाँ की चीज़ें आपको हैरान कर सकती हैं। वन में घर है या घर के आसपास वन बन गए हैं कहना मुश्किल है। एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए आपको साइकिल या टू व्हीलर आसानी से उपलब्ध हो जाता है। रास्ते इतने सुंदर हैं कि लगता है प्रकृति के बनाए सबसे सुंदर पगडंडियों या रास्तों पर हम चल रहे हैं। संसार के बेहतरीन रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड कैफ़ेज़ यहाँ अवेलेबल हैं। ओरोविले में गेस्ट हाउसेस भी अवेलेबल हैं। यहाँ रुककर आप ओरोविले की जीवन शैली नज़दीक से देख पाएंगे। यहाँ की अपनी मुद्रा है और पैसे का चलन न के बराबर है। यहाँ कपड़ों की अपनी फैक्ट्री है, डिज़ाइनर स्टूडियोज़ हैं, म्यूज़िक इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाने से लेकर तमाम व्यवस्थाएं यहाँ पर उपलब्ध हैं। यदि आप यहाँ पर रहकर कोई व्यवसाय करना चाहें तो वो भी किया जा सकता है। इसमें आपको अपने लाभ का 33% ओरोविले को देना होता है। ओरोविले पर आपको और कोई भी प्रश्न या कोई जिज्ञासा हो तो आप मेरी कन्वर्सेशन सुन सकते हैं जो मेरी गाइड से हुई थी, क्योंकि ओरोविले एक ऐसा स्थान है जहाँ पर प्रश्न स्वाभाविक रूप से उत्पन्न होते हैं। तो मैंने भी बहुत सारे प्रश्न किए थे अपने गाइड के साथ। वो कन्वर्सेशन जब आप सुनेंगे तो आप आराम से सारी जिज्ञासाओं को शांत कर सकते हैं कि ओरोविले के मेंबर हम कैसे बन सकते हैं, कैसे ओरोविलियन बन सकते हैं, कैसे वहाँ जाकर रहा जा सकता है और इस प्रोसेस में कितना टाइम लगता है और क्या चैलेंजेस होते हैं। और अगर दोस्तों यह वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगे तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। अपना बहुत ध्यान रखिएगा और आशा करता हूँ कि मेरी जो कन्वर्सेशन गाइड के साथ हुई है ऑरोविले को लेकर वो आपको पसंद आएगी। सो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं मैत्री मंदिर। हम इसी के दर्शन करने आए थे, लेकिन कोविड की वजह से अभी तक इसे खोला नहीं गया है। भगवान से प्रार्थना है कि जल्दी से मैत्री मंदिर को खोला जाए। जितने भी विजिटर्स यहाँ पर आकर ध्यान करना चाहते हैं, मेडिटेशन करना चाहते हैं, वो दोबारा से मैत्री मंदिर के दर्शन कर सकें। ये पूरा प्रांगण बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है। इतनी नेचुरल ब्यूटी को कोई मेंटेन कैसे कर सकता है, आप अमेज रह जाएंगे ऑरोविले में आकर। ऐसा लगता है कि किसी बंजर भूमि में एक नई धरती पैदा कर दी गई है, एक नया जहां बसा दिया गया है, एक नया वर्ल्ड क्रिएट कर दिया गया है। हम बाहर से बैठकर, जैसे जिन शहरों से हम लोग आते हैं, दिल्ली, मुंबई, कलकत्ता, गुजरात, जो अपने विकास के चक्कर में पता नहीं शहरों का क्या कर चुके हैं, बिल्डिंग्स पे बिल्डिंग्स बनाकर, लेकिन यहाँ पर आप आकर देखेंगे कि आप नेचर को किस तरह से प्रिजर्व रखते हुए प्रोग्रेस कर सकते हैं। जितनी भी यहाँ पर बिल्डिंग्स हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि जंगल के बीच में समा गए हैं। कौन सी जंगल है, कौन सी इनकी बिल्डिंग्स है, आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा। अमेजिंग, ब्यूटीफुल, वंडरफुल, क्या कहें इसके लिए। दिस इज़ ग्रेट प्लेस। फ्रेंड्स, मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं ऑरोविले में सोलर किचन। यहाँ पर आप एक दिन पहले रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं एज अ गेस्ट, और ऑरोविलियंस के लिए एकदम फ्री है। यहाँ पे सारा जो खाना बनता है वो सोलर एनर्जी से बनता है, और ऑरोविलियंस के लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है। यहाँ पे आप आकर अपना खाना खा सकते हैं, और अगर आप एज अ गेस्ट यहाँ पर रजिस्टर कराएँ तो भी यहाँ पे आप खाना खा सकते हैं। वंडरफुल, अगेन अ जेम,
where they take from all the fruits and vegetables in this garden, they cook here and they will serve here. Shopping center, only here you have to get the information and you get a pass, then you can go to Matir Mandir from here 1 kilometer. There you can visit outside view Matir Mandir. Right now is COVID, so it's closed, there is no meditation. If you want to do meditation, you have to be here 3 days before to register. Each one has to come by physically themselves, no one can book for others. Okay. So presently you have to be closed now. So in case if it's open, you have to come opposite building morning 10 to 11, okay, afternoon 2 to 3, except Tuesday. Weekly one day is closed, Tuesday. So you have to come here and register. Once you get the pass, the next day morning 8:45 you have to present at this building. Okay. They will show you the big screen video. After that they will get a bus to directly to Matir Mandir main gate. Once you go there, you have to leave your bag, all water bottle, mobile phone, everything. So there must be a guide who give you demonstration about Matir Mandir, then they'll take you inside. Every day there is 2 batch, A batch and B batch. B batch is the first time people, A batch is second time people. The first time only you have to present here physically. Second time you can book from by internet. I mean you can mail it or either you can call. On this card it's written email and phone number. Once you email them, you have to mention which date and your batch number and your name, that you have been already this date, so I'm coming next time for this date. So if there is any availability, they will give you, otherwise they will suggest you which dates are available. Okay, there are citizenship called Aurovilian. So Aurovilian means the people who are residential here. At presently around 53 nation country people are residential here, around 3000 people. Every day the application is coming. So if you want to become an Aurovilian, you have some process here to do, like 2 years. It will take 2 years. So first 1 year you have to become a newcomer. First 1 year you have to stay inside the Auroville as a in Auroville guest house, and you have to take care all your basic necessity. They can't help you for first 1 year. During this 1 year you have to do voluntary service, social service. Depends on where they can give you, you have to do. There must be a mentor in the sense someone is following you. So he has to give the note that you are doing correct or not. You have to following the rules and regulation, whether you are continuously doing voluntary work, how you are maintains and all these things. Once 1 year completed, if everybody is happy, then you become a newcomer. Once you become a newcomer, The newcomer will give you newcomer house, you can stay there. From that moment you have to pay 3500 every month. That money, I'm saying 3500, it may be go higher, it may be less. That I can say clearly, but approximately 3500 to 3700. So once you become a newcomer, you have to pay that. So accommodation, newcomer accommodation place, you may say, and they will provide you food. So after 1 year completed newcomer, then you take for another 1 year to become an Aurovilian. Once you become an Aurovilian, either they can provide you accommodation or they give you place to build by your own. Nothing is belonging to you, everything is belonging to Auroville. Once you have an apartment or house, you only can stay, not rental purpose or to bring anyone to stay there. You have to follow everything as per the rules and regulation in Auroville. People are come here for peace, love and harmony. According to Sri Mother, she wants to people from all over the world to come stay in one unity. So here there is no like other places like drugs, drinks, party. It's not the purpose people who come here. Fully divine consciousness power. You have to come with from your heart and peace, love. So Mother as a concept of building Matir Mandir. So once you book for the meditation, the first time you can go to the crystal ball. There you can do meditate at beginning 15 minutes. From the second time you can go inner chamber room. According to Sri Mother, she gave 12 names of petals room. So every day you can pick one card, you can go there and stay and you can meditate 40 minutes from second time onwards.
So as a family we can also register to
What
become a Aurovilian?
you can do that, but the social service and this voluntary service and all these rules and regulation you have to follow. See,
And
for
what happens to the children, they will get
education here, free education. Once you become Aurovilian, the children will get free education, food, accommodation, everything will be given. But in one, for example, if you become Aurovilian, your wife not directly come Aurovilian, she also follow the rules and regulation. So everybody has to follow the rules and regulation. That is rules here.
And if Aurovilian can visit outside, they can travel. Or
Yeah, you can travel, you can come. In case if you want to start a business, you may start a business, but you have to pay 33% from your profit to Auroville.
Good.
That they can allow you to do business, but 33% profit you have to pay to the Auroville.
Nice.
There is one, yes, there is one more place I want to take you. Swaram Musical Instrumental Center. There is a researching center also. The instrument made by wood, stones and all, they have an exhibition as well as selling. So people from all over the world, they are buying the instrument from there. Also volunteer from every corner, they come and they do voluntary work at instrumental center. Swaram, the name called Swaram. Later I will bring you there.
I am here till 10th. So would it be possible if I register here for the meditation?
Sir, it closed at the beginning of COVID. So till now we didn't get any mail from government. So once they allow, then it will be open. That published on that I am saying normal time.
Oh,
So
okay.
3
Now
days
it is closed,
now
totally closed.
everything is closed. Even I can't take you any places. Is everything is closed. By outside view, I could explain everything and then I can show you. Because it's close of COVID, and we also be very careful. And we don't want to give trouble for them, and we don't want to get any trouble for ourselves. Here we have a restaurant and farming. There is a British man who live here long time. He married a local Indian girl. He can able to speak my Tamil language, and he have a farming also called a Solitude Farm. He cultivate all organic vegetables, fruits, and all type of plants, and he sell the seeds of that and making handmade soap. And after cultivate the fruits and vegetables, he have a restaurant as well. So he can cook and people can taste. It was very delicious and very nutrition. It's all made by organic. Nothing here, any artificial or chemical, we can't use anything. Everything by nature and everything by organic. So once people come, I suggest them to have taste that food. It's really good and very nice. It's very close next to Tibetan Pavilion. So later I'll take you. Yes, Tibetan Pavilion, which was inaugurated by Mr. Dalai Lama. He came here once and he also inaugurated. It's also part of Auroville. So they are part of Auroville also in Tibetan Pavilion. They are following the Tibetans cultural. So there are many different country people are living here. But they are all one unity. Different places they were staying. Even when there were any exhibitions or any kind of meetings, all member of the board they can join together. So they will arrange everything.
Great.
So these are the farming, organic farming, planting, and they were providing for restaurant to cook the same organic vegetables and fruits. So everyone can come and have here. It's very nourishes and healthy food. And they were so this is Swaram Musical Instrument and Researching Center. Here they manufacture all kind of music systems by wood, stones and all, and they kept here in this corner, at this corner, for demonstration. People can come here, they can play themselves and enjoy. And then here opposite they have selling area. They can sell here also while they demonstrate you how to play the music, how you can play, and you can listen the music instrument, the swarams and everything. By the way, you can buy here or you can give order to send to your place. Also here voluntary students also come here to research and learn and how they do this kind of music, everything. And here they have a very special healing music systems. The bed you can sleep, they can heal you by music. That we need to book prayer, and you can ask them how much they charge. That we can't say exactly. And you can stay here inside the Auroville. You can do your voluntary work also here to research. Come every day and learn, and you can observe how they do. They made all the music in proper way with a proper tune and very good quality, and really finishing really very nice. This music instrument has been expert all over the world. People love come here to buy all kind of music. In case if you cannot able to carry some music instrument, you may give an order, they will deliver to your home. In case if they don't have any shipment, so they will tell you which place has to arrive, so you can collect from there. Now we can go inside and have a look. I don't think they will permit you to take a video, just have a look. Unity Pavilion. Here they can arrange some exhibition, photos, art, and office also here. So voluntary work program you can come and conduct here. This place called Unity Pavilion. This can be open morning 9 to 12. The people who come here, they have an office and they work, they are registered, and all the purposes they can do here. Also sometimes they conduct some art program or some Aurovillian gather meeting they can do here.
सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप समझते हैं कि आप ओरोविले को पैरों से वॉकिंग करते हुए घूम सकते हैं, सो इट्स नियर टू इम्पॉसिबल. फॉर्चुनेटली आई हैव गॉट अ गुड गाइड. ही इज़ मिस्टर आनंद हु हैज़ गाइडेड मी टू एंटायर दिस प्लेस ओरोविले. सो आई humbly request everyone who are planning to come to Auroville that have a good guide here, and because if you don't take a guide you can't have the feel of this place. This is huge place, a forest land you can say, so you need a proper guide to get access of all those places. So yeah, Mr. Anand, please share your number.
Hello, I am Ananda. My number is 9597899597.
And people can contact you for the guided tour.
Yeah,
sure.
Please welcome. If you come to Auroville, let me know. Just give a call before. I will guide you, and I will explore you, make you more comfortable and happy around Auroville. I'll explain.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
much.